Fabio Cerone, General Manager for the Telco Business Unit, Europe, Middle East and Africa at AWS. So today with me, Jean-Christophe Laneri, Vice President for Cognitive Network Solutions at Ericsson. Jean-Christophe, thank you for taking the time, man. We've been working together for, I would say, 1 year now. Cognitive Network Solutions, it's an interesting name. So what is it?
Yeah, so thank you for having me. So, Cognitive Network Solution has basically two main legs of the business. One is we do all the optimization services for the company, run and core. So we support our customers in the field to have the best networks. The second piece is that we are now building all the telco AI offerings so that we can automate all the processes, operation optimization away towards what the industry calls now autonomous networks.
Nice. So should you describe the basic problem, customer problem, that you want to solve, what would you say?
That's what's hot, to be honest, on the floor here at Barcelona, right? Like everybody wants to know how can they leverage AI to kind of operate at the best possible performance at the minimum cost, right? Like everybody wants to resolve that. I think historically we have been having very strong engineering teams that have been focusing on the key problem of the network, but now we're going to a new model where the machines can literally crunch and analyze the complete network every day and resolve problem, propose solutions. Yeah. So it's a model shift that the customers are really interested in.
Should you mention a couple of use cases that excite you the most? What would you say?
I think some of the interesting cases we've been showing now lately have been traditional optimization cases. Typically, for example, how do you optimize antennas of a network, right? CSPs don't have the time to really set for every site, to tune every site to the best possible performance. Now with AI, you can kind of each cell, each site can be basically tuned to get the maximum performance out, right? Yeah. So I think this is one of the killer use cases we see at the moment, and people are really interested.
In this interaction that we have had, we have learned a lot, working with you. What I love the most is the co-engineering effort that we have made together. Mm-hmm. So should you summarize, what is the value that you have seen working with AWS? What would you say?
Yeah, first of all, it's been a very good program so far, and I want to thank you, all of you from AWS on this. I think, here we are the convergence of AI, cloud, software engineering, and the domain knowledge, right? Yeah. And I think we bring very strong domain knowledge. We bring strong AI competency, but I think you bring the cloud, the AI, and an ability to scale at very different pace, right? And if you think about these networks, these are massive networks, generating enormous amount of data. So it requires agility, it requires scales, it requires security, and requires AI, right? So I think this is what you guys can bring to the table, so we can move, faster, right?
Fantastic. Jean-Christophe, I really want to thank you for the trust, for the partnership, and I look forward for the next months to work together, to take this live, to key light us customers, to show the world what we can do together.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
See you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.